Today we are learning about the triangles fourth part. In this we will see the basic concept of similar triangles and congruent triangles. Okay. Now similar triangles, two triangles whose corresponding angles are of equal measure and ratio of the length of the corresponding sides are proportional. Okay. Two angles. Okay. We will see in the deep. Okay. This is the definition for this one. Congruent triangle. Two triangles are said to be congruent if and only if the measure of the three sides and three angles of the triangles are equal to the measure of their corresponding sides and angles of the other triangles. Okay, this is the definition for this one. See, in this one A, B, C and D, E, F it is given. That means AB by DE. Okay, AC by DF and BC by EF. Here AB by DE, AB is equal to DE, BC is equal to EF and AC is equals to DF. We will see this in the deep. This is the symbol for similar triangle and it is the symbol for congruent triangle. That means congruent symbol, this is the symbol for the congruence and this is the symbol for the similar. Okay. Now congruence and similar. Example, if you take two bottles, this is of 1 liter, this is of 500 milliliter. Okay, the shape of these two bottle is same. The shape of these two bottle is same, but the size is different. It's called as similar. And one more example, if you take in real life, if you take the example parachute bottles. Okay, 500 milliliter bottle and 250 milliliter bottle. The shape of the bottles will be same, but the size is different. Like that. Here, if you take 1 liter, 2 liters of thumbs up bottle and 1 liter of thumbs up bottle, you will find that the shape is same, but the size is different. Shape same, but the size is different. Then it is called as similar. What it is called as similar. But for the congruence, if you are taking 1 liter of bottle, another bottle should be of 1 liter only. It should not less or more. It should be 1 liter only. 1 liter. Same company. If you are taking thumbs up, it should be thumbs up only. Quantity should be same, quality should be same, size should be same, and shape should be same. Everything should be same in congruence. In similar, if the size are different, no problem, but the shape should be same. Size changing, no problem, but the shapes should be same. Okay. Similar. This is the example for similar. And it is the example for congruent. Symbol for the similar and symbol for the congruent. What is similar? In similar, it doesn't depends upon the size, but the shape should be same. Okay. And congruence, size, shape, weight, quantity, quality, everything should be same. It is called as congruence. Homework for you. Give one best example for the congruence and for the similar in your real life or in your surrounding. Okay, and after getting the answer, please don't forget to give in the comment box. Hope everyone understood the topic. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.